The running account bills are the most common form of payment which is made by the client in a contract to the contractor. In an item rate contract, the running account bills are raised by the contractor in a periodic manner. The duration of a RA bill is usually monthly. The duration can also be fortnightly, quarterly, or any other as per the specific terms and condition of the contract. In item rate contract, the RA bill amounts are arrived by multiplying the quantity of the contract BOQ items executed in that period with their individual item rates as mentioned in the BOQ. The RA bill should accompany with the proof of the work done, that is the joint measurement records of various types, handover protocols of certain structures or work, and the taste certificates of the materials provided by the manufacturer. This is an example of RA bill in an item rate contract. Here you see the item description is there, the unit of measurement is given, the rate per unit is given, and the quantity executed in a particular period is in the next column, and multiplying the rate per unit into the quantity executed gives the amount of that particular item. Summing up all the items like this, we get the RA bill value for that particular period in an item rate contract. In cost plus contracts, the RA bills are also raised periodically, which is usually monthly, but can vary depending on the conditions of the particular contract. In the RA bills of a cost plus project, the contractor has to provide an exhaustive list of the expenses made by the contractor to the client which are payable as per the contract, plus a predefined markup percentage on and above the cost, which is the profit margin of the contractor. The proof of expenses are required to attach with the bills. Examples: the equipment hire charges, the material invoices, manpower wage sheet, bank charges, proof of staff salary, and any other kind of indirect costs. In the turnkey contracts, the running account bills are milestone based. The contractors are allowed to raise the RA bill on achievement of some predefined milestones. For example, we can say the completion of all the foundations of a structure, commissioning of the main power unit, or erection of certain equipment, etc. The list of such milestones are agreed in between the contractors and the client at the time of finalization of the contract.